Can you set an emergency contact on Lyft? Well, the answer is yes, and here's how to do so. First, you want to simply open the Lyft application, and inside the Lyft app, you want to tap on the account section over here on your home page. By doing so, you'll be able to see your account settings over here. And what you basically want to do is you want to simply go to the security tab over here. And inside the security tab or your safety center, you'd be able to see an option called emergency contacts. You want to simply tap on emergency contacts, and by doing so you'd be able to add contacts over there or select someone from your contacts as well. You want to simply save the contact. You want to simply save your contact over there, and by doing so you'll be able to repeat if you need to add more contacts as well. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.